Contemporary Māori artists from around the motu recently gathered at Wellington's TSB Arena to exhibit their artwork at the Toi Māori Art Market. More than 200 leading and emerging Māori artists were invited to participate in the largest assembly of contemporary Māori art in Aotearoa. Toimairangi School of Māori Visual Art has had a presence at the art market since its inception.
For us to be recognised as an institution, to be offered a booth here, because we were very fortunate to get that to begin with, and to maintain that invitation, over the 4 or 5 Māori markets that have happened, is one that we cannot not appreciate and not attend to, because of the in the best way we can, because of the value.
Tauira and recent graduates travelled from Hiratonga to participate in this prestigious event, of which they've found both inspiring and a bit of a challenge.
It's a big eye-opener because, outside of here, just Toimairangi, so I hadn't really seen anything else.
I'm nervous about having to talk to other people, and network, because I'm still kind of new at this.
It's exciting, especially if you have the opportunity to hang someone else's work, because you want to do a really good presentation for the people that get to come and have a look at it.
There were 10 art forms supported at the event, and the general public had the option to buy the artwork that was on display. One lucky punter snapped up 2 pieces of artwork created by one of the students.
For me, if it connects with you and it feels good, looks good, I think that's the main reason you should be buying it, because you want to appreciate it yourself and get others to look and feel the same way. So yeah.
The next Toi Māori Art Market is set to take place in 2016. Though the venue is unconfirmed, Toimairangi is committed to its partnership with Toi Māori and supporting emerging Māori artists.
For us, the existence of Toimairangi is based on people's response to the work, and so, okay, if we have something there, great.
One day I hope to be a full-time artist, but yeah, we'll see.
Leah McLean, Te Wānanga o Aotearoa.